is Bianca, and I hope you enjoyed my video I'm trying to make. So, it's about a dog in the pool. Here's the pool. And this is the car. And this is the little dog I'm going to be using. See, I'm going to put it to you guys. This is the little dog. Oops, I dropped him. So, I'm going to be starting my video. Ooh, my dog thing is going to be good. I hope. Oh, I'm out of gas. I guess I have to walk from here. Ooh, there's a pool. I'm going to go see that pool. Should I? I guess I should. Ah. It's a little bit cold in here, though. My collar's getting really wet. I guess I should do it. Watch this, though. Whoa! I love this world. It's the best out of all the worlds. What? Hello there. Hello back there. Hello there. I think I'm going to just get something a little bit new. Wait there. It's a little bit broken though, so do not be mad at me. It's a little bit broken, but it's fine. It's just a little bit. Watch, everyone, watch this. Oopsies. It's a car wheeler. I think I'm going to go in. Yahoo! I'm having so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Oops. I left it. Oh no, my collar's gone. Put it on. And here. We go. It was so much. I forgot to hold my breath. Achoo! I'm having so much fun with y'all. Y'all are my favorite. I'm glad y'all could be here. I'm glad I could be here too. But I hope you enjoyed my video because it is almost over. How bad is that? So, I think I have not levered anything today. So, I hope you enjoyed my video today. So, you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. It was great to see you. Bye.